Hello everyone, welcome back to Editing Friday. I'll be showing you the new Adobe Generative AI function. Like, it's amazing, generates things with just text. Now, if you look at this, I generated this background just putting this text here. So I wrote a studio texture background and this is what it got for me. This side here, you will see other variations and you can always just go through them and see the one that works well for you. If you zoom in, you can see over here, it's not really perfect, but you can actually just click on generate over here to give you more variations of it. And let me show you another one, portrait of me. And what I did was that I used AI to generate this suit. And you can see here, there's an issue here, this angle here, this place here. So what I did was that I had to clean it off and adjust. So this is after cleaning, and added some sunglasses for myself and this. Now as you can see, the eye is not really looking good. So what I did was that I had to adjust it, and I did this one. So I did this, and this is what I got from this. So this is the before, this is the after. As you can see, it gave me a suit just from text. I wrote the text, a suit, gave me a suit, and also the eyeglasses. So let me show you a quick one, how you can actually achieve this with just text. So let's start. Let me take all this off and just show you how I achieved them. So I just selected the outfit and just do a quick one for you here. You have to select the outfit. So I did this. Just a quick one. Remember, you can always be perfect while doing it, but I want to show you a quick demo of how it works. So I'm selecting this. Let me just put a suit, like a suit. Generate. As you can see how it looks so funny. But let me just look for more. This is not good. This is not good. Okay, generate. Let me look for other variations and see what I can come up with. Okay, so we have this, and this one looks kind of cool. And this, oh, this is nice. This, oh no. So this is better. Now look at this. So what I'll do is that for me, after generating the outfit, I used to go ahead and adjust, like I will adjust the bears over here, make it look a little bit more smooth. I adjust this and I'm good. So for the glasses, I'll just like do another one here, select this side here. As you can see, you need to make a selection first. So this is where my glasses will be here. So let me put some glasses. Oh, so this what it directed for me. And let's see, we have this, we have this. Okay, but this is kind of nice. Oh, this kind of looks very cool. So we have our sunglasses and we have our portrait. This will give you the advantage to create anything you have in your head. Like, this would help a lot in composition, and this will help a lot to create some amazing images and some amazing visuals. So this is the before, this is the after. Look at this. Now I'm going to call this Men in Black. with a green tie. This is really nice. This looks really cool. So AI is not really there yet, but it's really trying out. It's amazing what Adobe has done with Adobe Sensei. Now look at this place over here. It looks so real. Wow. So right now, Adobe is saying this is not for commercial use, but you can try it. Remember, it's not for commercial use according to Adobe. So go ahead and just have fun with it. This is just for fun for now until Adobe release another agreement about using it. So for now, just have fun and create whatever you can create. This is amazing, as you can see, like from this to this. So go ahead and try it out. This is where you're going to download. You're going to download this. So make sure you download the Adobe Photoshop Beta. You need that to download it, and you need internet, and also you need an active Adobe subscription to be able to try this out. So go ahead and have some fun and shoot some more content. Have a nice day.